Hey Cameron, my name is Matt Berger and I'm from Akron, Ohio. I've been bugging my buddy for quite some time to buy his blown up bike off him, and I finally convinced him. So without wasting any more time, let's show you what we got. Fully locked up. I must have looped it out, broke the rear fender. My favorite part about the whole bike is that he took the soles of his Vans, cut them out, and zip tied them onto the frame. Everything on this bike's either loose, broken, or held together with zip ties. So this is a 2004 RM125 that I paid my buddy $600 for.